Hi, OHS, and this is Mrs. Castle again, and I'm here to talk to you about citing sources from library databases. One of the great things about our library databases, along with them already being screened for reliability and accuracy, those kinds of things, are many of them provide the citation for you. So you don't have to do the look around, copy paste activity like you do for a website or a source that does not provide the citation. So I have two different databases that I'm going to show you how to cite on my project. So I'm still working on my biome project, and I have found an article on CQ Researcher, which has a lot of today's like current events kind of issues. And this is about the Arctic, so it kind of fits into my tundra. And it has this great button right here called Cite Now right at the top. And we use MLA, remember, so I select MLA. And here's the citation. It's already done for me. Now I can look here and you can see Noodletools isn't one of the options, but we have a really easy way to import that. So I'm going to copy, and I'm going to go back to my Noodletools, and it's a new source. We can say it's a database. It doesn't really matter which we push, but look right up here at the top. See this quick cite, copy and paste a citation? I just click there and paste. Oh, paste. There we go. And then I'm going to take up, got a little bit extra. Okay. If I have an annotation, because my teacher wants me to, the annotation would be typed here using capital letters and punctuation, and then I hit save, and there it is. And you'll notice these are automatically in alphabetical order, which is one of the great reasons we use Noodletools. Now I have another database from our Gale databases that I also found on ClassLink, and like many of these, you have cite up here. You can print it or download it, but we're going to use cite right now. This one is on the tundra. I also like Gale gives me these more like this, and there's some other articles that it gives me there, which is a good way to find more sources. But let's take a look at cite here. MLA again, here it is. But look, I don't have to copy and paste it. I say export to Noodletools, and it pops open a new tab. And it says, yep, there it is. My biome project, that's where I want it. And I say import. Okay, one citation imported. So then I go back to my Noodletools, and I might need to refresh. And there they are. Now, if this one, I need to put an annotation, then I could just click on it and scroll down to the bottom. And then this is where annotation goes here. That's where I would type it, and then I would hit save again. And you'll see they're all alphabetized. So there's two ways that you can import citations from databases.